Hello children, I, Mrs. Priyanka Desai again. We would be dealing with a poem, that is photograph, in the same book Hornbill itself. And today we are going to see about the poem photograph. Now this Hornbill, the syllabus which is there, it applies to both the streams, 11 science also and commerce as well. Okay, so now let's look at the poem Photograph by Shirley Tolson. The author or the poetess Shirley Tolson, who lives in the Somerset, was drawn into the spell of Celtic Christianity as she worked on her books dealing with the oldest roads and folklore of Britain and Ireland, and found herself the following the routes taken on their journey by the saints of the early church. Among her writings are The Celtic Alternative 1987 and The Celtic Year 1993. Now let's begin with our poem. The poem Photograph, it is written by Shirley Tolson as we have seen. In this poem, she recalls her mother and her memories while looking at a childhood photograph when her mother was 12 years old. She has just deceased 12 years ago and she cannot explain her grief on her mother's loss. So the poem over here, the poet basically she talks about how the death of her mother silent her and she leaves her speechless. The poem is a tribute to the poet's mother. She is looking at an old photograph of her mother which has a frame of a cardboard. The picture has three girls in which the middle one is the oldest and the tallest one. It is her mother when she was 12 years old or so. Besides her, on both the sides, if you see, there are two cousins, Betty and Dolly, who are holding her hands and are younger than her. They went on for paddling for a beach holiday. Her uncle took the photograph then. The mother could not help but notice the poet. She could not help looking at the photograph, but she is just simply staring at the mother's sweet face. Now over there, both of the sisters, younger sisters, they are holding the mother's hand, of the poet's mother's hand, and all of them three stood smiling through their hair while the photo was taken. Her mother had a sweet face. All this happened before she was born. The sea touched her terribly transient feet. Terribly transient feet means the water was very transparent. The waves washed their feet as it stood still. Years flashed past since then. Her mother grew up into an adult. They all underwent changes. So in the picture, if you see, all the things, it changed. The sea which was there, it changed. The beach, it got changed. The poet, it got changed. The two sisters, Betty and Dolly, they got changed. But the only thing did not change was her mother in the center of the two. Just because the mother was passed away. After 23 years, her mother would laugh at the photograph. If she could have seen that photograph, she would make the poet look at the photograph and tell her how their parents would dress them for the beach holiday. They would simply wear the dotted ones dresses with a plain white color or the simple plain color, and they would it would make the photograph make them feel laugh about it. Both of them lost something which they cherished a lot, and yet they cannot live that moment again. Those sweet moments were memories now. Now the poets had been dead for the past 12 years, which is same number as of her mother's age when the photograph was taken back then. She cannot express the grief that she has from her mother's absence. Okay, so I hope the lines are very clear given in the stanza. Okay. Thank you, children.